Good morning, guys. Taking the Imperial for a test drive again. Got the tires all aired up, so we'll see how this thing feels. Cruising around the block. Seems like it pulls left a little bit. It's no big deal. See if this thing still leans. Oh yeah, still leans. Still leans good. But you know, we got the inspection underneath. We saw the ball joints. Saw the upper A-arm, control arm, excuse me. Bushings are shot. Brakes aren't bad though. Still definitely in that way, but tires aired up, feel a little bit better. Still, date on the tires were week 33 of 2016. Those are pretty old. Definitely want to recommend replacing those. Got some air leaks. All right. Work though. Notice that. Alright. Well, that was my quick little test drive this morning. I'll let the boss know he's gonna go with videos and get a hold of John. Alright, guys. Later.